Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss what is Meta AI on Instagram. So basically Instagram has provided with their latest new feature which is Meta AI. So which means you can simply now use artificial intelligence features on your Instagram. So how it does it work? So how you can use it? So if you want to use Meta AI on Instagram, so how you gonna use it? That for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram here. And after that, what you have to do, if you want to simply use the Meta AI, you have to simply click on your profile. And after that, you have to simply go to your messenger. And here you can simply find the option of search button. And here you can also find that blue circle icon here. So here you can simply join the Meta AI, which means you can simply use Meta AI. As you can see, there is an option available. So there is the introduction of Meta AI. My name is Meta AI. Think of me like an assistant who is here to help you learn, plan, and connect. What can I help you with today? Which means you can simply imagine a car on Mars and anything like that. Which means you can simply use anything like that, like you use in ChatGPT and other AI features. So if you want to use that, you can simply uh, command the Meta AI and it will provide you all the details about that. So which means you can also generate images from using Meta AI and you can use them in your work. So basically it is a artificial intelligence assistant that can provide you all the feature which you want in artificial intelligence chat has. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.